Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dennis from Spotahome. So we're here in Valencia. We're gonna check out a really cool apartment. Okay, so overall it is fully furnitured. Everything is super modern. Decorations pretty brand new. We got 4 bedrooms. We got 2 bathrooms. We got 1 living room, an entrance, and a kitchen. So as you can imagine, pretty big apartment overall. As we just mentioned, everything fully furnitured. So that means that we got all of the equipment that we need in each of the bedrooms. So they are each of them are equipped with a bed. We got wardrobe. We got desks. Also, we got keys in each of the bedrooms, so that's really important. We want to lock the bedrooms from the inside and from the outside. Neighborhood is really chill to live in, okay? It is pretty much in the center of several different parts, so we're kind of in the middle of the university area. Also to Torres de Serrano and Pont de Fusta, which is first off a pretty iconic place of Valencia, and the second one is a really important tram station which connects this place with the rest of the city. Also, we got access to the public transport with several different bus stops, and we got food supermarkets. We got all the services that we need just downstairs. Also, pretty important feature about this specific apartment is that all of this building is exclusively for students. So all the apartments are prepared for students, and it's a really modern concept of living. So you guys, let's check it out. Right guys, so we're gonna start a video over here over the entrance space. So as we can see already, we got this kind of rectangle space which conforms the main entrance. Also, it is equipped with this mirror, which is pretty long, and it is also pretty useful to have just besides the main entrance. So is this pieces of furniture over here, where as you can see can be used really nicely to hang our coats. Okay, so now we're gonna turn ourselves over here to check out the rest of the apartment. So if we go over here in a straight line from the entrance and we turn to the left, we find this corridor which divides the rest of the apartment. But first off, we're gonna check out bedroom number 1, or bedroom A over here, which is pretty much in a straight line from the entrance. So as we mentioned, we got a room key over here, and we got full furniture inside the bedroom. So as we see over here, we got this standalone wardrobe. We got a fan over here just on top of it. We got a table over here with 2 drawers, also with a lamp, really nicely settled just besides the single-size bed, where we got our bed linen included. We got a window over here, okay? So we're receiving a lot of light to the side, and also we got some street views. Okay, if we turn to this side, we find this picture decorating the wall. And over here we got this desk, really neatly settled too, with a chair and some space over here to our right hand side. Okay, so now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna turn to the right, okay? And we're gonna go in a straight line. We're gonna turn once again to our right hand side to find bedroom number 2, or bedroom B. Okay, so pretty much fully equipped too. We got this double-sized bed over here with a bed linen included. We got a picture decorating the wall. To the side, we find a standalone wardrobe. You can check out the inside over here. So plenty of space for storage. On the top, we got a fan too, so that's pretty useful. And if we turn over here, we got the desk. Okay, really nicely settled into this corner. We got a chair. We got some space over here in the bottom. We got a light. To the side, we find a mirror, which is pretty useful too. And a pretty cool feature about this bedroom is that we got, as you can see, these windows, which acts also as doors. And we got the access to this balcony. Okay, we access it over here, and we got the space over here with these views. Right, so completely exterior bedroom, and that's super important. Now we're gonna go back in. We're gonna go through bedroom number 2, and pretty much over here, if we go up the step, we find bathroom number 1. Okay, so we got the sink, we got a mirror just on top of the sink, we got a window with some interior patio views. Over here we got this space, and really nicely fit into this corner. As you can see over here, we got our shower. Right, so full equipped bathroom too. Also notice we got a pretty cool pattern decorating the wall. So now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna go pretty much in a straight line and turn ourselves to our left, and we find the kitchen. Also pretty cool. We got over here a fridge. We got our washing machine. We got a sink. Just on top of it, we find a window with some interior patio views. It is fully equipped, so we got, as you can see, coffee machine, we got a kettle. We also got some storage in the top side. Also in the bottom, Okay, and we also got over here this oven, and we got our cooking fire. Now we're gonna check out over here the living room. Okay, so full equipped living room too. We find over here a table surrounded by 3 chairs. We got the television really nicely settled over here attached to the wall, and pretty much in a straight line from the television we find the couch, and we got some pictures really neatly decorating the wall too, and a light. Okay, now over here we find the rest of the apartment. So if we go in a straight line, we find bedroom number 4. Okay, and we got it over here. So we find this bed over here, single size bed. We got bed lining included. We got a picture decorating the wall. If we turn to the side, we find a table with 2 doors. We got a light. We got a window over here with some interior body views. To the side, we find the standalone wardrobe. Okay, where we can see the interior. So we got plenty of space. And then we turn to this other side, we find this desk with a chair. We got a light, and we got some space down over here to our left hand side. And finally, we're gonna check out the bathroom, and we also got it attached to the living room. All right, and we'll go inside and we find a sink. We got a mirror just on top of the sink. Down at the bottom, we got these drawers. In this corner, we got the shower. Okay, really modern, everything as you can see. And then over here, we find this space. Okay, with this window. Right guys, this has been the visit tour today. This has been Dennis from Spotahome. I hope you really enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.